Good afternoon, everyone. This is Christian with PerfectStockAlert.com. Today is Tuesday, April the 27th, 2010. A couple of days ago, we told you about ticker symbol ACGL. The stock has now moved substantially in our favor thanks to today's major selling in the overall markets. If you're not watching our market analysis, you need to do so. All right, check this out. The main thing to do whenever a stock moves in favor of our call is to lower that stop loss limit to lock in some gains, plain and simple, okay? At minimum, I take 50% of today's move and just drop that stop down there just to be on the safe side, okay? If she does bounce for whatever reason, major market news comes out or something, you don't want to see this guy actually move higher and erase all those gains. So the best way to do this is simply lower that stop, okay? And that's what you got to do if you're trading. We did have really substantial sell volume today on this selling, and this candlestick is very bearish. You'll notice uh, it's a strong candlestick that suggests further selling, but we are at the lower side of the Bollinger Band line. So once you start trading below the Bollinger Band line, you start seeing these reversal patterns show up. So be looking for that. What I would do basically, if you don't lower the stop, is wait for tomorrow. Whenever the activity happens, whatever it does, the high of tomorrow's close, the high of Wednesday's market activity, just place your stop 1 cent, 1 cent above that, and then start moving it down like that. Every high of the previous day, keep lowering that stop until sooner or later you will actually be stopped out. Okay, now let's look at today's opportunity we have for you. Today's alert for you is ticker symbol EXM, XL Maritime Carriers. We've got a really nice inverted hammer right here at 680 is the close today, so I want to be shorting at that price or higher if I can get it. We're coming up close to the overbought condition of the slow stotch, and our low points are trending lower while price is trending higher. That's a bearish divergence, so I want to be shorting that character right there. Also, you'll notice a good sell volume today behind today's activity. That's another good sign, and we have this unfilled gap down here. So I would definitely be looking for a short on this. You might see a little bit of consolidation at this level, so it may take a couple days again, but I would be shorting here and any move higher. So yeah, be watching that ticker symbol is EXM. You'll notice a couple days ago we told you about who was it? Uh, DSX. Basically, Diana Shipping is the company, and she had pulled back. We were hoping she'd break that support line, but she didn't do it that time, and we told you to watch it. If she moves higher, well, she has moved higher now. She's off that top trend line we talked about. So go back and look at our notes on that, and you'll see what we're talking about. There's potential short there as well. So definitely in the shippers, and those focused on Greece are even better. So I think not who is that company? Dries. That's the one I'm looking for. Uh, check them out. They DRYS. They are focused in Greece, so they might get some spillover there from trouble. So yeah, check those out as well. All looking very bearish as the overall market's looking bearish as well. Regarding the stop, I use a 10% stop, and I would cover at the slow stop comes back down to the 20 line right down here. As soon as I get that condition, yeah, you just go ahead and cover that guy as a technical perspective. You do that. You could also use the middle Bollinger Band line. This here is 647, but that's a really short-term trade. You can get that in a day. So unless you're allowed to day trade in your account, be thinking about that. And yes, that's how I would trade that. Let's look at our disclaimer before we go any further. The information provided herein is our opinion only. Under no circumstances do any statements here represent a recommendation to buy or sell securities or make any kind of an investment. You can read. Okay, for those of you who are refusing to watch our market analysis, I know you guys are all doing that, but let me just reiterate what I said in that we are going to be updating our website in the next couple of days to make sure you don't experience any downtime. I want everybody to go to our YouTube channel, click subscribe, make sure you don't miss anything. I mean, I try to make it as painless as possible in any changes that we do to our website, but on occasion accidents happen. So just to be on the safe side, you don't want to get caught out there in the wind, not know when the market's turning around or whatever. So go to the YouTube channel, subscribe there, and go to our Facebook page and click like there. Very simple, okay? God bless, enjoy the evening, and look for more selling into the week. And that's what should be happening, all right? Let's rock and roll.